Managing contacts in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to find the people you deal with at each account, add a new contact, and keep their details current. Let's take a look. You'll find this under CRM, Contacts from your dashboard. Contacts are the actual people you deal with at each account: a bar manager, a buyer, an owner. I list everyone across your accounts here in one place with their title, email, phone, and best time to reach them. Search by name up top to find someone quickly, or filter by account to see just the people tied to that one location. You can also sort by account, email, or phone to work the list your way. To add a new contact, click Add Contact, then fill in their name, title, phone number, and email, and pick which account they belong to. Save it, and I'll show them on that account's page right away. If someone changes jobs or their number changes, click their name to open their card and update it there. No need to delete and re-add. Keeping this list current means you always know exactly who to call the second you walk in.